100% natural material, rabbit toys made of 100% natural timothy hay and apple branches, rich in vitamins, easy for small animals to chew and digest, promote intestinal peristalsis, and improve pet appetite. Teeth grinding and chewing. Timothy chew balls are good for teeth, can be chewed safely, and can protect the healthy growth of rodent pets' teeth. Pet treat. This bunny chew toy turns timothy grass into a spherical shape, which can better stimulate the curiosity and freshness of pets. The natural timothy grass of smell is attractive to small animals, can be used as a snacks for small animals. Small animal chewing toy. All 3 grass cakes have metal rings, which can be hung from the side or top of the cage to keep them clean, help divert attention, and relieve the boredom of small animals. Applicable pet. Great for rabbits, bunnies, chinchillas, guinea pigs, squirrels, parrots, hamsters, gerbils and other rodents. Top reviews from the United States. Get this. Okay, so my bunny isn't the chewing type. I got this because he's been chewing on my baskets. But he's obsessed. It's like catnip for bunnies, but doesn't get them, you know. I suggest getting this. It keeps your bunny occupied, and healthy teeth.